Hello everybody, just wanted to do another check-in. You'll find that during the course of this traditional longer online course that I'm going to do several more of these video check-ins, so thank you for bearing with me. Hopefully they're not too painful. Just wanted to sort of guide everyone through the course. We made a few adjustments and switches between CRJ and IDS. So some of you might have found that you responded to posts on the first few days, and then you go back and you look and you can't see those posts. Don't worry about that. They're not lost. I actually can see them on the main screen, so everything is well. I haven't quite figured out how I want to work the notes per se. Normally I create 100, 200 slide PowerPoints to turn around and sort of guide you through. I think what I've done now is a little bit more manageable, creating 20, 30 at a time. That way people can view them at their leisure, click on the links, watch the videos, do the readings. I've also been limiting the posts that I create for a bit until I feel that we have a handle on the material. Everyone is sort of at an equal pace, and then you'll find that I'll start to increase the number of the threads. For those of you that have had me before, you know that these threads I can post 30 different threads, and they just get absolutely huge, and sometimes it makes it impossible for people to kind of follow along with the sequence. And so I'm sort of keeping an eye on that, if you will, so that it flows a little bit better for everybody during a much longer semester. Again, during a 2-week intersession or during the summer session, it's intentional. I have to put all this material out there, but in a longer semester I have much more time to get in there, review what you're writing, read what you're writing, make some comments here and there, etc. So what you found is that I have posted, well, let me just turn around and show you. So I have a new image that's up there today, kind of coincides with some of the things that we'll be talking about, scientific method, etc. And I think I'll do that sort of weekly. I'll put a cartoon or an image in there that kind of encapsulates what we'll be talking about. Over here in the thread assignments, this is where I'm going to turn around and post all of the responses that you're going to have to do for the class. So for example, in the syllabus, I have question 2 is posted in the assignment section. Response is due by February 5th. So there is the response. It's in there and it's posted. And then what I'm going to be doing is I'll be adding in my other responses. I'll have them all time released so that they'll appear probably about 5 days before a response is due. The reason for this is that I don't want you to spend too much time looking ahead at the different responses. People can have the tendency to jump ahead, or you want to knock out a few assignments before they're due, and I really want there to be a sequence. I want there to be the rationale for the responses is to coincide with the readings, the threads, and also my lecture notes. So that's why I'm going to time these to appear a little bit more closer to the actual due date. And this is where you'll also find that I will post the paper and the collaboration case study, and then that's it. Alright, so we go back over to the handouts. This is where you'll notice that I have posted as of today 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of notes. Some of you have had me for other courses. What I do is I start each new set of notes fresh right at the beginning. what I've done here is I actually just attach them on as I create them, and we'll tell you what slide the new ones will appear. The idea is that at the end, you're just going to have one complete set of notes. That will probably be in the 1,000 slide range. So again, I don't want to make that too overwhelming for people, so I do it in much smaller increments, and that seems to reduce some of the anxiety. And then finally, the discussion tab, and this is where we have everything that's going on. And again, I think we're doing a pretty good pace here. Keeping it doable. But as I said at the beginning of this little tutorial, that once I feel that everybody is engaged and up to date on the material, I will turn around and start posting more and more threads. So you certainly want to keep an eye out there. So again, I apologize for the amateur camera work here. I just wanted to check in with everybody, let folks know that simply because you can't see your posts from earlier, trust me, they're there. I can see them. I'm reading them. Want to encourage everyone to continue on, responding to the threads, reading the notes, thinking critically, and all I'm doing for the first few weeks is just laying out some of the basic framework for this particular course. So hopefully this video was not too painful, a little bit helpful, and we will talk soon in the threads, which I'll be going back in today and tonight and reading some more and responding, and we'll talk soon. Bye.